Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi on this channel, welcome to my channel. I do DIY videos, lifestyle videos, challenges, and a whole bunch of fun random videos, so I hope you stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and be part of the Glam Squad. So today's video, I'm doing an unboxing video. I've been using this app called Influencer. I've been hearing influence like everywhere. I thought it was a scam. Everywhere so you can get free products if you do reviews, and I decided to try it out. So basically, it's just an app that you can like do reviews and stuff, and they give you free products. So I've been doing reviews. I log in. You have to log into like Instagram and YouTube and stuff, and I finally got a box. I'm so excited, and I got this for free by just doing reviews, and I was on the list for one. So this is their KatVon D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick box, and the little box is just so cute. I really like this. Okay, let's open her up. Oh my gosh, it's not Tila. I'll watch it. Okay. Oh my gosh, look, this is so... I just dropped the card. This is so cute. I really like this. And it comes with like a little card. And it's the lipsticks. It's little packaging. This box is so cute. So it comes with a little pamphlet. Kiss Me All Over. KatVon D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. And it just shows you all the lipsticks that they're going to be having, and it says it's coming soon on their website January 12th, and so they'll be in Sephora January 19th, and in Sephora US and Canada January 26th. So yeah, look out for this. And then it comes with a lipstick. Look at this packaging though. Oh my god, it's so like edgy and so cute. Black. I really like this. And I got the I think it's a Lolita 2 shade. I highly recommend you guys sign up for Influencer and definitely do their reviews and stuff. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That is cute. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Look at that color. That's cute. I hope it matches me. That's really cute. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Ooh, and it smells like cake. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my gosh, this lotion smells so good. It doesn't smell like chemicals or anything. It just smells like cake. Okay, let's try this on. It is really smooth and creamy. Oh my gosh. It is so smooth. I am so blessed to I'm so thankful that I was on the list for this lipstick. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. That's not that bad, my skin color either. Oh, she pop it. Oh, this is so cute. And it's not drying. It's really really creamy. I'm wearing this. And I never had anything for lipsticks before. So yes, thank you, Influencer. Yes, guys, it's good. This so creamy. It's so, guys, this lipstick is so creamy. It's not even drying my lips at all. It's really nice. I love it. Definitely when this launches, definitely guys check out her other lipstick. She has so many other colors. This color was Lolita 2. But yeah, guys, that was my unboxing video. Definitely check out Influencer. Definitely download their app and do their reviews and stuff. It is really, really great. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like this video, subscribe my channel, and always remember, be yourself and have fun doing it. And I catch you guys next time. Cheer me out, cheer me out. Cheer me out, cheer me out. Cheer me out, cheer me out.